Hello everyone, Elena Rivera here, reporting from Orlando, Florida, local realtor in the area. I want to give you some tips on things to repair if you are thinking about listing your house on the market. So if you are preparing to list your house, you will have to make some repairs. It's inevitable. But where do you start? What repairs you need to make, and when is enough good enough? So the rule of thumb here is to only make those repairs that will help you make more money in the end. To help you out, here is our checklist of things to repair before listing your house. And keep in mind, women shoppers are emotional and you need to appeal to their emotional side. What does this mean? Well, they are going to make damn sure the kitchen and bathrooms are appealing and suitable for their needs. Let me help you with this. So number one, paint. While not necessarily a repair, brightening the interior is important nevertheless. The easiest and cheapest way to brighten and update the inside of your house is painting. Fresh paint can change the look entirely. So just make sure to use lighter, neutral tones to appeal to the majority of buyers. You also don't have to paint the walls in every room. Just paint those rooms with dirty or old damaged paint, and those in bright, weird colors. Number two, the bathroom. It's a surprise to many sellers, but bathrooms are very important to buyers. So whatever isn't functioning properly in the bathroom should definitely be on your list of things to repair before listing your house. Start by fixing all of the dripping faucets and running toilets, and then make sure all the toilets have a good flush and that all the sinks and tubs drain well. Stained, moldy grout is a big buyer turnoff. So if you have tile in your bathrooms, it's a good idea to re-grout it. If you don't want to replace old toilets, just install a new seat to make them look newer. Repainting will also do a lot to give this area of buyer focus a newer, brighter look as well. So number three, kitchen. The kitchen will be even more important to buyers than the bathroom, so it too needs to be on your list of things to repair before listing your house. First, replace dated lighting, countertops, and appliances, at least as much as you can comfortably and financially afford. If your appliances are fairly up to date, make sure they are all functioning optimally and fix those that aren't. After refinishing cabinet doors and painting walls, you should probably consider installing a new kitchen faucet. Just keep in mind that you shouldn't do a complete kitchen upgrade or renovation unless your agent, me, thinks you will recoup your money when you sell. Number four, lighting and electrical. All the repairs you make before listing your house have to be seen by buyers when they come to view your house. So among those repairs, don't forget to repair and replace and upgrade your lighting. Repair non-operating fixtures, replace those that are dated, and install additional ones when more light is needed to make your house bright and appealing to buyers. A cheap and easy way to brighten things up is to install new switch and outlet plates throughout the house. And of course, you should fix any dead or faulty outlets. Number five, exterior. The exterior of your house is just as important as the interior because it's the first thing buyers see when they pull up. So check the roof and replace missing shingles, make sure the gutters look good, and touch up on paint, on siding, and fascia. Replacing the main entry door is a fairly inexpensive way to give your house a new look and usually yields a good return on investment. And don't forget curb appeal. You don't have to go in for a full-blown landscaping job, but you do need to mow, rake, trim shrubs and trees, and lay down new mulch. It's also a good idea to plant some flowers in beds for colorful outdoor accents. And be sure to replace any old fencing or that isn't in tip-top shape. Finally, it goes without saying that anything broken, damaged, or not working properly should be on your list of things to repair before listing your house. You do have to spend some money to get your house ready for showings, but you shouldn't invest more than you can recover when you sell. My team and I can help you figure out what items in your home need repaired. Simply contact us by phone at 407-801-8219 or fill out the form on our website, www.sellmyorlandohome.us. And you can also subscribe, stay tuned for future videos, and please share this video with your friends and family. Until next time.